Hello friends, today's topic markets expecting Santa Claus rally. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. 25th December is celebrated as Christmas Day all over the world. Santa Claus is a fictitious character created by Western culture who is said to bring gifts to children during Christmas time. This is the picture of Santa Claus. You may be wondering what is the connection of Santa Claus to stock markets. For many years, it has been observed, especially in US markets, that in the last 5 trading days in December and the first 2 trading days of January of every year, stock prices usually rise. Since the rally is happening after Christmas when Santa Claus arrives, such a rally is called Santa Claus rally. Generally, statistics shows that this Santa Claus rally applies to most global stock markets and in most years. Let us observe past data to understand whether this Santa Claus rally could happen in Indian stock markets too. Performance of Nifty 50 index between 26 December and 2nd June 2012 percentage change was plus 2.3%. That is Nifty 50 going up between 26 December and 2nd January. 2013 minus 0.7%, 2014 2.7% plus, 2015 plus 1.3%, 2016 plus 2.5%, 2017 plus 0.5%, 2018 plus 2.3%, 2019 plus 0.6%, 2020 plus 2.8%, 2021 plus 2.1%, 2022 plus 2.2%, 2023 plus 1.5%, 2024 question mark. If we take the average, it comes to 1.68%. So, in Indian markets too, Santa Claus rally has been happening. On an average, for the last 12 calendar years, Nifty has gone up an average of 1.68% between 26 December to 2nd January. Also, 11 out of the 12 years, there have been positive returns for Nifty during this period. Even this year, if this small uptrend sustains, then it can be called as a Santa Claus rally. History seems to be consistently repeating every year. Similar data has been seen in US and other markets too. Many people consider the Santa Claus rally to be a result of people buying stocks in anticipation of the rise in stock prices during the month of January, which is known as the January effect. However, usually the rally in this period is short-lived and the market behaves normally after this period depending on the overall situation in the country and world. So let us see how markets trade during 26 December and 2nd January this time. Investors can consider looking for some short-term opportunities during the last few trading days of December to make some quick profits. End of the video, here is the question. How do you think you can take benefit of the likely Santa Claus rally in markets? A. Will do some short-term trade. B. Will let my long-term portfolio rise. C. Both. In case you are not the member of the channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.